going to be unboxing one size cloth diapers that I bought on Amazon. These are the pocket cloth diapers. From Alvababy. Let's see. These are pretty big. I bought these for my son. He's 2 years old. He weighs around 25 pounds. He's tall and somewhat thin. So I think these are gonna fit him. He fits into a size 5 Huggies. They're so cute. Oh wow, okay. Wow, these are big. I see it, 2 of them. Huh. I have some charcoal bamboo. I was debating if I was gonna not end up using these and use the charcoal, but I might be able to do one of these and the charcoal, or I might be able to use both of these during the day and the charcoal and one of these at night. Let's see how that works out for the nighttime. These are big. Very curious to see how good these are going to work together. Okay, so they all come with 2 pocket inserts. These are like the microfiber ones that come with the newborn, and I think they work really good for newborn. But I wouldn't use one of these by themselves. I would use 2, but I have to see how it works for my son, being 2 years old, and he's a heavy wetter, but these might work out fine. If not, I can always put the charcoal bamboo insert on the bottom and this one on top.